Hello, and welcome to ShurLink training. In today's video, we will go through the steps on how to delete a device. So grab your remote and let's go. Before we jump in, I want to note that any paired device on a remote can be deleted or erased from your remote's memory. Grab your remote and let's open the cover. Your remote will automatically power up when the cover is open. From the main menu, arrow down until you are on the Delete a Device row, and then press the Select button or the right hexagon-shaped button. In our example here, we will delete the top device. Make sure the device you want to delete is highlighted and then press the Select button or the right hexagon. Press the Accept Operation button to permanently delete the device. Simple as that. Your desired device is now deleted. Press the Select button to return to the main menu page. And then to confirm that the operation was successful, press the Select button and your screen will show blank empty. Your desired device is officially removed from your remote. This video will be available to watch again if you need to review this info at a later time. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.